Step 1, 2, and 3 of power washing a building. Shovel and broom the building. We're going to paint this building, so you're pressure washing, blowing, and weed whipping. Removal of all the stuff around the building. We're going to blow it, weed whip it. So, first step, removal. Shovel, broom. Second step, weed whip. Third step, blow. Fourth step, pressure wash, soft wash the building. We want to weed whip the side of this building and then blow it and then pressure wash it to paint. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.